Apple's iMac have made the conscious decision to hide all their ports on the back of computers for more than a decade. The new Satechi Stand Hub seems like it could be a pretty good solution for anyone who has problems with backward ports. Designed as a simple aluminum stand, the Stand Hub connects via USB-C and offers a USB-C port, 3 USB Type-A ports, SD and microSD slots and a headphone jack, all within easy reach. For older Macs that do not have a USB-C port, Satechi will include a Type-A USB-C to USB adapter, so you can still benefit from the additional ports. The Stand Hub is designed to be used with the Apple iMacs. There is no reason why you cannot use it with any USB-C computer that fits the support. The Stand Hub is available today for $89.99.